welcome, seekers of style and aspiring runway stars. Today we embark on a journey that marries faith, fashion, and the digital realm. Just as David used his sling to conquer Goliath, you too can use modern tools like TikTok to conquer the world of modeling, all right? Let's dive into the divine strategies that can help elevate your modeling prospects. The book of Proverbs 16:3 tells us, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and he will establish your plans. And this verse reminds us that with purpose and intention, our endeavors will be blessed, right? TikTok is a platform where creativity and authenticity shine, and it can be your gateway to modeling success. First, let's talk visibility. TikTok's algorithm is designed to spotlight unique content. As an aspiring model, participating in trending challenges with your twist can showcase your personality and style. Think of this as planting seeds, as described in Galatians 6:9. Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up, okay? Engagement is key. Just as Jesus gathered his disciples, gather your community by interacting with other fashion enthusiasts and models. Comment, collaborate, and create. This is your opportunity to build a network that supports and uplifts one another, fulfilling the commandment, love your neighbor as yourself. And again, I've said this before and I'll say it again. The power of storytelling is profound. Use TikTok to share your journey, your triumphs, and even your challenges. Inspire others with your authenticity, and remember Matthew 5:14. You are the light of the world. Let your story shine and be a beacon of hope and inspiration. Finally, consistency is your ally, all right? Regularly posting and engaging will keep you in the minds of your audience. As it says in James 1:12, blessed is the one who perseveres under trial. Persist and your efforts will be rewarded, all right? And this is also like a message to myself. All of these tips and things that I'm giving you all, I'm taking my own advice. Okay, we're on this journey together. So, my dear hearts, whether you walk the runway or scroll through TikTok, be intentional, okay? Walking with purpose and faith. Use these tools to illuminate your path, and remember, with God, all things are possible. If you found this enlightening, subscribe and join the Faith Model Guide Network. We are all inspired fashion trailblazers here. And also, just as a side note, keep in mind not to let technology become idols in our lives, right? God reigns supreme, and God is a jealous God. So be sure to check with the Father above all things, okay? Let God be first. Let God be on the high place and nothing else. And everything else will just flow. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.